Hello students, this is exercise number 5 of the Progressive Monthly Magazine, August 2021 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. As our chairman reminded you, our neighbors now are all the countries of the world, so that we cannot relate our foreign policy just to a few countries around us, but have to think of practically every country in the world and take into consideration all the possible areas of conflict, trade, economic interest, etc. It has been recognized now that if there is a conflict on a big scale anywhere in the world, it is apt to spread all over the world. That is, war has become invisible and therefore peace is indivisible. Therefore, our foreign policy cannot limit itself to the nearby countries. Nevertheless, the nearby countries always have a special interest in one another, and India must inevitably think in terms of her relations with the countries bordering her by land and sea. What are these countries? If you start from the left, Pakistan, I would also include Afghanistan, although it does not touch India's borders, Tibet and China, Nepal, Burma, Indonesia, and Ceylon. In regard to Pakistan, position has been a very peculiar one to the way Pakistan was formed, and India was upset, that you all know. But something much deeper, and that is a complete emotional upset of all the people in India and Pakistan because of this. It is a very difficult thing to deal with, a psychological thing which cannot be dealt with superficially. A year and a half or more has passed, and there is no doubt at all that our relations have improved and are improving. There is also no doubt at all in my mind that it is inevitable for India and Pakistan to have close relations sometime or other in the future. I cannot state when this will take place, but situated as we are, with all our past, we cannot really be just indifferent neighbors. We can be either hostile to each other or very friendly with each other. Ultimately, we can only be really very friendly, whatever period of hostility may intervene in between, because our interests are so closely interlinked. As far as the other countries are concerned, our relations with them are quite friendly. Take, for instance, Afghanistan, and our relations with Afghanistan are exceedingly friendly, and our relations with Tibet, Nepal, and all the neighboring countries are also very friendly.